Welcome back to Tech Kutt, where we bring you the most innovative and exciting gadgets that you can't miss in 2024. If you love discovering cool tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Remember, all the product links are in the description, making it super easy for you to grab these must-have items. Let's dive into today's lineup, which is filled with gadgets that will blow your mind. Ever thought a Rubik's Cube could solve itself? Enter the Connect AI Robot Cube, a game changer that brings together the fun of classic puzzles with cutting-edge AI technology. This cube doesn't just challenge your mind, it teaches you how to solve it. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, the AI Robot Cube offers various modes like half-blind and blind to level up your skills. No need for an app. This cube is self-sufficient and even plays your favorite tunes like Jingle Bells while you play. If you're looking for a unique, interactive gift that's fun for all ages, the Connect AI Robot Cube is your perfect pick. Imagine impressing your friends as this cube scrambles and solves itself right before their eyes. Next up is Loona, the petbot that's so much more than a robotic pet. This little companion is equipped with a high-definition RGB camera, advanced voice command recognition, and even gesture recognition. Imagine having a pet that not only understands your commands, but can also play fetch, avoid obstacles, and navigate your home with ease. Thanks to Loona's 3D ToF camera, it can effortlessly map out your living space and avoid obstacles with precision. Plus, with Loona's app, you can dive into a world of games and quizzes that will keep both you and Loona entertained for hours. Whether you're looking for an intelligent pet that's low maintenance or a tech marvel to show off to your friends, Loona is your go-to gadget. Who doesn't love a good night's sleep? The GoZero Portable Sound Machine is here to make sure you, your baby, or anyone else in your household gets the best rest possible. This sound machine is compact, rechargeable, and comes with 15 soothing sounds, including white noise, waves, and lullabies. Its memory function means you won't have to reset your preferences every time you use it. Just press a button and drift off into dreamland. Plus, it comes with a soft night light that's perfect for those late-night feeding sessions or simply creating a calming atmosphere. Whether you're at home or on the go, the GoZero Sound Machine is your perfect sleep companion. Stay hydrated and eco-friendly with the Philips Water GoZero Smart Water Bottle. This isn't just any water bottle. It's equipped with UVC LED technology that disinfects the bottle and removes odors, ensuring you always have fresh, clean water on the go. The double-walled vacuum insulation keeps your drink hot for up to 12 hours or cold for 24 hours, making it perfect for any season. With its magnetic easy charge USB port, the bottle stays clean for up to 30 days on a single charge. Plus, the sleek, stainless steel design is both durable and stylish, making it the perfect accessory for your daily adventures. Last but certainly not least, we have the HP Sprocket 3x for Instant Smartphone Photo Printer, a gadget that lets you print your memories in seconds. This portable, wireless printer uses zinc zeroing technology, meaning no need for messy ink cartridges. Just connect your smartphone via Bluetooth and you're ready to print vibrant, smudge-proof, and water-resistant photos. It even comes with an app that allows you to customize your pics with stickers, borders, and filters before printing. Whether you're at a party, on vacation, or just hanging out at home, the HP Sprocket is your ultimate photo companion.